Whether it's beef cattle or dairy cattle, all cattle need water. Ritchie brings you fresh water on demand. Ritchie, proud to be a partner to the American cattleman since 1921.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Ritchie Watering Systems. U.S. pork production will end 2015 at a record large volume of around 24.4 billion pounds. That annual production will exceed the previous 2008 record by an estimated 1.1 billion pounds. The increase is even more impressive considering 2014 pork production was the smallest since 2010. The PED virus decimated market hog inventories and caused production declines relative to the previous year throughout the second and third quarters of 2014. During that time, hog producers were trying to grow farrowing operations and increase market hog inventories. But the virus undermined those efforts until producers adjusted health management practices to better control the virus. Once the effects of the outbreak were mitigated, herd expansion efforts were more apparent, and additional hogs reached the market in 2015. Market hog slaughter increases came quickly as producers increased the marketing pace, and carcass weights declined as much as 5 pounds relative to year-ago levels as days on feed were reduced. However, the weight declines could not offset the seasonal increase in fourth quarter market hog slaughter. Weekly production exceeded 500 million pounds for the first time on record in November and has remained above that threshold each week outside of the Thanksgiving holiday. Pork production will decline seasonally in early 2016. However, CattleFax expects a 1.5% to 2% increase in 2016 pork production. Hog slaughter is forecasted to increase 1% to 2%, while carcass weights are expected to increase by less than a pound. Unlike 2015, better domestic demand and stronger exports are expected to offset all of this increase, resulting in a mostly steady U.S. per capita pork supply. That should allow hog and pork prices to be steady to higher next year, which should be welcome news to U.S. cattle producers. The 2015 pork production increase created an additional 3 pounds of protein per person compared to the previous year. The extra pork supply, as well as poultry, became increasingly burdensome to the beef complex as the year progressed. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.